I'm Kelly, Senior Technician at Madeira Veterinary Hospital.
Our clients often ask us how they can trim their pets' nails at home and what supplies they need. Today, we will show you how we do our nail trims here in the office, as well as some modifications for you to do at home. It is important to note that not all pets will allow their nails to be trimmed easily. Be conservative and make this a positive experience for your pet. Causing anxiety and pain will only result in more difficult nail trims in the future. The supplies you will need to do nail trims at home are number one, a restrainer. Someone to help hold while you cut the nails will make it a lot easier. Also, a table or a raised surface like a bed might be a good place to get your pet up off the floor and hold them down. The remaining supplies can be found at any pet supply store. The most important supply is the nail trimmers. We prefer to use this kind of trimmer for dogs because it is easy to see exactly where we are cutting. For small dogs and cats, we recommend using the scissor type nail trimmers. Once we are done trimming the nails, we use an automatic nail filer called a petty paw to smooth out the rough edges. We take the guard off for easier use. It is important to have styptic powder available in case any bleeding should occur. We use a product called Quick Stop at the office. You can use your finger or use a wet cotton-tipped applicator to apply the powder directly to the nail. Finally, having a special treat and giving repeated praise to your dog is a must. This is Roxanne's dog Danica, and she will be showing you how we do our nail trims here at the office. This restraint technique is called lateral recumbency. First, we lift the patient onto the table. Roxanne will grip Danica's legs that are farthest from her about midway up. Casey will secure Danica's head and gently guide her down to the tabletop as Roxanne pulls the legs toward her. Casey will then put her left arm across Danica's neck and grasp her front left leg, which is the leg that is down on the table. Her right arm will go across Danica's abdomen and grasp her rear left leg. Some pets will allow you to cut their nails without being restrained. Keep in mind that without someone controlling the head, your pet can bite. For large dogs or patients with arthritis or orthopedic injuries, we use the standing method of restraint. This technique can be done on a floor or raised surface with or without a holder. To trim the nails, simply lift the foot and trim. Ellie is going to demonstrate another technique called the swaddling technique. Casey will hold Ellie against her body with her right arm and with her right hand hold behind Ellie's elbow to steady her paw. Casey will then place her left hand on the side of Ellie's neck and hug her head into her body. Lola is going to demonstrate the lateral recumbency technique for cat nail trims. To control the head, we grasp the scruff on the back of Lola's neck and gently roll her onto her side. Roxanne will use her other hand to hold both back feet to avoid getting scratched. If you or your cat are uncomfortable with the scruffing technique, you may prefer the swaddling technique. The only modification we make for cats is to hold them on the tabletop instead of in your arms. This will help to avoid getting scratched. When trimming white or clear nails, you will be able to visualize the blood vessel. It is the pink colored part of the nail. You want to always trim ahead of the blood vessel in the white colored part of the nail. For black nails, it is not usually possible to visualize the blood vessel. We recommend trimming small amounts of nail until you see what we call a bullseye. The bullseye has a white color on the outer edges and a black center. To finish out the nail trim, we recommend using the automatic nail filer to smooth out the rough edges. Should any bleeding occur, apply styptic powder directly to the nail using your finger or a wet cotton-tipped applicator.